Dear students, today we will be solve some factor related math problems. Exercise 3.3. Number 21, a cube minus 9b cube plus a plus b whole cube. A cube minus 9b cube modify as minus b cube minus 8b cube plus a plus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube plus a plus b whole cube minus 8b cube modify as 2b whole cube. Here we will be apply the formula of a cube minus b cube, that means a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square plus, here we will be apply the formula of a cube minus b cube, that means a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here a means a plus b minus b means 2b into a square means a plus b whole square plus a means a plus b into b means 2b plus b square means 2b whole square. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square plus a subtracted value of minus 2b and plus b equal minus b. Here we will be apply the formula of a plus b whole square, that means a square plus 2ab plus b square plus 2b multiply with a plus b. At first 2b multiply with a, 2ab b multiply with b, that means plus 2b square plus square value of 2 is 4b square a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square plus a minus b into a square added value of plus 2ab and plus 2ab equal plus 4ab added value of b square 2b square and 4b square equal 7b square. In this expression a minus b as a common value. After taking common value we can write a square plus ab plus b square plus a square plus 4ab plus 7b square equal a minus b into a square plus a square equal 2a square plus 4ab and ab equal plus 5ab 7b square plus b square equal plus 8b square. Number 22, 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x minus 63. 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x minus 63 modify as plus 1 minus 64. First 4 term we will be try to apply the formula of a plus b whole cube Here 8x cube modify as 2x whole cube plus 1 modify as 1 cube. So 3 into a square means 2x whole square into b means 1 plus 3 into a means 2x into b square means 1 square minus 64 modify as 4 cube. Now we will be calculate total value. 2x whole cube equal 8x cube. Square value of 2 is 4. 4 3 is 12 x square plus 3 2 is 6x plus 1 cube equal 1. This is the formula of 2x plus 1 whole cube minus 4 cube. Now we will be apply the formula of a cube minus b cube, that means a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here 2x plus 1 consider as a, that means a cube, minus 4 consider as b, that means b cube. Here a means 2x plus 1 minus b means 4 into a square means 2x plus 1 whole square plus a means 2x plus 1 into b means 4 plus b square means 4 square. 2x subtracted value of minus 4 and plus 1 equal minus 3. Here we will be apply the formula of a plus b whole square. A square means 2x whole square plus 2 into a means 2x into b means 1 plus b square means 1 square plus 4 multiply with 2x plus 1, 4 to the 8x plus 4 1 the 4 plus square value of 4 is 16 equal 2x minus 3 into square value of 2x equal 4x square plus 2 to the 4x plus 1 plus 8x added value of 16 plus 4 equal plus 20. 2x minus 3 into 4x square added value of 8x and 4x equal plus 12x added value of 20 plus 1 equal plus 21. Number 23, 8a cube plus b cube divided by 27. Now 8a cube modify as 2a whole cube plus b cube divided by 27 modify as 3 cube. 2a whole cube plus b by 3 whole cube. Here we will be apply the formula of a cube plus b cube, that means a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Here a means 2a plus b means b by 3 into a square means 2a whole square minus a means 2a into b means b by 3 plus b square means b by 3 whole square. 2a plus b by 3 into square value of 2 is 4, then a square minus 2ab by 3 plus square value of b is b square, square value of 3 is 3 square, that means 9. Here we will be taken common value as 1 by 3, that means 6a plus b into, here taking common value as 1 by 9. After taking common value we can write 36a square minus 6ab plus b square. At first 1 by 3 and 1 by 9 multiply, that means 1 by 9 3s are 27 into 6a plus b into 36a square minus 6ab plus b square. If you cannot find out common value, you will be answered here. Number 24, a to the power 6 divided by 27 minus b to the power 6. Here a to the power 6 modify as a square whole cube, 27 modify as 3 cube minus b to the power 6 modify as b square whole cube. Here we can write a square by 3 whole cube minus b square whole cube. Here we will be apply formula of a cube minus b cube, that means a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here a means a square by 3 minus b means b square into a square means a square by 3 whole square plus a means a square by 3 into b means b square plus b square means b square whole square. A square by 3 minus b square a square whole square equal a to the power 4 square value of 3 as 9 plus a square b square by 3 plus b square whole square equal b to the power 4. Number 25, 4a square plus 1 by 4a square minus 2 plus 4a minus 1 by a. Here 4a square modify as 2a whole square. Then we can write minus 2 plus 1 by 4a square modify as 2a whole square plus 4a minus 1 by a. First term we will be apply the formula of a minus b whole square. 2a whole square minus 2 into a means 2a into b means 1 by 2a plus b square means 1 by 2a whole square plus next two terms we can take 2 as a common value. After taking common value we can write 2a minus 1 by 2a. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. Here a means 2a minus b means 1 by 2a whole square plus 2 into 2a minus 1 by 2a. This expression 2a minus 1 by 2a as a common value. After taking common value, we can write 2a minus 1 by 2a plus 2.